crew that previously had jobs in Asia, and now with this war, you're really thinking about where should I go? Or should I stay and apply in Candina to embark? We have Italian flag ships, 3,100 euros if you're a Croatian Navy, Bulgarian Navy, Romanian Navy, Latvian, Estonian, Lithuanian, French, German, Dutch, Danish, Slovakian AV, Spanish AV, Portuguese AV, all 26 countries, nationalities AVs. Italy does accept your certificates. If you don't need English, you need just basic Italian. We have these manuals, apply urgently. If you're also a junior officer and you're thinking, well, should I really join this LNG gas carrier, this tanker, and go to the Strait of Hormuz or not, then please stay and apply here because you have a long-term career full with Italian, very good professionals. If you are Latvian woman, for example, there's not many men up north, so if you really want the Romeo, these guys are here in the Italian flag. You can apply here, plenty. Also, we have a lot of Spanish and Portuguese joining, so it's a huge opportunity for all to be happy. We don't have to really join in Asia, just stay here, local, invest in the European community. This is the biggest ever ship owner, Italian flag, 22 Ro-Ros and 55 passenger ships. So apply urgently because we are having now a huge supply of ratings and officers that really wanted to go or had jobs in Asia, but they're thinking, do I really want to have a safe job, long-term, social security, 2 years employed, 2 years unemployment? You don't get this in flag of convenience. You don't get this in the fishing. You don't get this in the cruise. If you are from cruise, think about it. This is local joining. Thank you very much. Bye.